Hi everyone, welcome back to Ace English Podcast. So guys, have you ever had your Wi-Fi drop right when you need it the most? That moment of panic is so real.
And for English learners, calling tech support can make it even more stressful. I'm Justin, and today I'll walk you through how to handle that call with simple, clear English.
I'm Amy, and in this episode, we're going to act out a real-life support call so you can feel ready the next time your internet goes down.
Here's what we'll do. We'll show you how to describe your problem, ask for help in simple English, follow step-by-step instructions, and even practice useful phrases together.
Let's jump in and start the call. Imagine you're the customer and I'm about to dial the support line.
Hello. Thank you for calling technical support. How can I help you today?
Hi, thanks for taking my call. My home internet stopped working earlier and now I can't connect on my laptop or phone.
I'm sorry you're having trouble. Can you tell me when the problem started?
It was working this morning, but about an hour ago, everything just disconnected. I tried reconnecting, but nothing works.
Are all your devices having the same issue or just one?
Both my laptop and my phone can't connect. I even tried moving closer to the router, but it didn't help.
That's helpful to know. Did you notice if any lights on your modem or router look different than usual?
I just checked, and I see one of the lights is blinking. Usually it stays solid.
A blinking light usually tells us there's a problem with the connection. Do you see which light is blinking, maybe labeled Internet or something similar?
Yes, it's the one labeled Internet. That's the one flashing right now.
Thanks for checking. Let's try restarting your router to see if that helps. Could you please unplug the power cable from your router? Just pull it out gently.
All right, I'm unplugging it now. Should I wait before plugging it back in?
Yes. Let's wait about 30 seconds. This gives the router time to reset.
Got it. I'll count to 30 and then plug it back in. While we wait, does this kind of problem happen to a lot of people?
Actually, it's really common. Routers can lose connection for all sorts of reasons, like power interruptions or just running for too long.
So restarting is like giving it a little nap?
Exactly. It's a quick fix that solves the issue most of the time, even though it sounds simple.
While my router resets, I just want to say to everyone listening, don't worry if this feels tricky. Most people need to call support sometimes. It helps to practice phrases like, my internet is not working, or I can't connect to the Wi-Fi. Even saying, should I restart the router, can save time.
I love that tip. If you repeat these phrases out loud, you'll sound more natural and confident when you actually need them.
Okay, it's been 30 seconds. I'm plugging the router back in now.
Awesome. Let's wait for the lights to come back on, especially the internet light. It might blink a bit, but we want it to stay solid.
All right. I see the lights turning on. The internet light is blinking. Still blinking. Let's see if it stops.
While that's happening, can you check if your Wi-Fi network shows up on your phone again?
Sure. I'm opening my phone now and looking for the network. It's showing up. Let me try to connect.
Perfect. Let me know if you're able to get online.
I always get a little nervous when tech things stop working. Any advice for staying calm during these calls?
That's totally normal. Taking a few breaths can help. And remembering that support agents are there to guide you step by step.
That's helpful. I'll try to focus on following the instructions instead of worrying about the problem.
If restarting doesn't fix things, it's okay to say, the connection still isn't working. What should I do next?
That's a good phrase. Sometimes people worry they'll sound rude if they say it, but it's actually helpful, right?
Absolutely. It lets the agent know they need to try something else, and it keeps the call moving.
Hey, my phone just connected. The Wi-Fi is back, and the internet light is solid now.
That's fantastic news. See, sometimes a quick restart really does the trick.
I'm honestly relieved. Thanks for being so patient and clear with the instructions.
You did great following the steps. Problem solved, and you practice some useful English at the same time. Before you go, is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's everything. Thanks again for your help.
If you have more issues, just give us a call. And remember, you can always ask for instructions to be repeated if you're unsure.
I'll remember that for next time. Have a great day. Before we finish, let's help you practice. Repeat after us. My internet is not working.
And try, I can't connect to the Wi-Fi.
Now ask, should I restart the router?
Practicing these will make real calls feel much easier, even when you're nervous.
Let's quickly recap. First, we learned how to explain internet problems in simple English.
Second, we practiced following step-by-step instructions during a tech support call.
Third, you picked up some key phrases to sound more natural and confident. By the end, you'll know how to confirm your Wi-Fi is working, what to try next if it isn't, and simple English for tech support calls. We'll review checking your device, testing the internet, and easy phrases you can use anytime you call for help.
Let's jump right in, Amy. What's happening with those router lights now?
Okay, so the lights on the router are finally back on. And I just checked my phone, the Wi-Fi network name is showing up again. That's always a good sign.
That's great news. When you see your network name, it usually means the router is running again. Can you try connecting your phone to the Wi-Fi and see what happens?
All right, I'll tap on my network name and yes, my phone says it's connected to Wi-Fi now. But I'm not totally sure if the internet is actually working yet.
That's a smart move. Sometimes the phone connects to Wi-Fi, but the internet is still down. Let's double check by opening a website maybe on your phone or even your laptop if that's easier.
Let me open a website on my phone just a second. Oh wow, the page loaded. Everything looks normal again, so I think the internet is working.
That's the best confirmation. If the website loads, you're good to go. Restarting the router can really fix lots of random problems.
I have to admit, I never totally understood why restarting the router helps. It seems so simple, but it really works. What's actually happening when we do that?
Basically, it clears out any old errors or little glitches that build up over time. It's like giving your router a fresh start. That's why support people almost always suggest it first.
Your step-by-step instructions made it way less stressful. I always worry I'll miss something, but you kept it so clear. Just check the lights, look for the network name, try connecting, and test a website.
Thanks. Simple steps make a big difference, especially if you're nervous or not used to fixing tech problems. And don't forget, it's totally fine to ask for steps again if anything's confusing.
Now that it's fixed, what should I do if my Wi-Fi stops working again next week? Just restart the router again?
That's a good question. Yes, you can try restarting the router again. But if the same problem keeps coming back, you should call your internet provider. There might be a bigger issue.
Honestly, I feel a lot more confident now. Before, I'd just panic and wait for someone else to fix it. But now I know what to check, and it doesn't seem so mysterious.
That's awesome to hear. The more you practice these simple steps, the easier it becomes. And it's the same for learning English, too.
Let me step out of the tech support role play for a second and talk straight to our listeners. Calls like this come up all the time in real life, and it's completely normal to feel unsure at first.
Exactly. The key is to clearly describe your problem. Listen carefully to any instructions, and always ask when something isn't clear. You don't need fancy words, just clear, simple sentences.
Some of the most helpful sentences are really basic, like, "My internet stopped working," or "Should I restart the router?" Even just, "Is the connection working now?" can help a lot.
Right. And using these short, direct phrases is exactly what customer service expects. It makes the whole process smoother for everyone involved.
I want to remind everyone, Practicing these small, everyday conversations is a huge confidence booster. You don't have to wait for a big emergency. Try repeating the phrases out loud whenever you can.
And listening to real conversations helps too. The more you hear and repeat, the more natural it will feel when you need to speak English in your own life.
Huge thanks to Justin for guiding me through this tech support scenario and for showing how clear English makes tricky situations easier.
It was a pleasure. I hope our practice call gives listeners the confidence to handle their own internet issues and their next customer support conversation in English.
And to everyone listening, thank you for joining us on Ace English Podcast. Remember, the best way to get better at English is to listen, repeat, and practice, just like we did today.
If you like this episode and want more real-life English tips, don't forget to subscribe. That way, you'll always have fresh conversations and lessons ready to go.
Before we wrap up, here are 3 things to remember. First, restarting your router can solve many Wi-Fi problems. Second, simple, clear sentences work best when talking to customer support. Third, don't be afraid to ask questions if you're confused.
Here's something you can do today. Practice saying out loud, "My internet isn't working," and "Should I restart the router?" It'll help you next time you need help.
Thanks for listening to Ace English Podcast. ANBD, subscribe, like, and share this episode. We'll be back soon with another practical, real-life English conversation. Keep practicing and see you next time.